Hey, Dana here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. You know, it's Sunday the 12th, and the winds are about 55 miles an hour. And what am I doing? Well, this is basically carry on to replacing the lower ball joint on the wife's Explorer. I'm up here getting a ball joint pressed at good old Harbor Freight Tools. Okay, I'm a little confused. There's a ball joint adapter kit. That's fine. But you need the C clamp. So I'm kind of confused as to what that is, but I'm gonna get this one here because I'm used to using the C clamp when you're compressing things. Another one of the things that I want to get on my Christmas list is one of these Zurich units. I was looking to see they're all. I'll take one. Oh, maybe. Huh. There's nothing in them. It's an empty container. But I'm looking at is this thing here. The only thing is, it's got $1,000 price list on it. I get the scan tools. Maybe a wide inspection cameras. I know. That's something. Okay, we're back to the jacks again. Well, here's your difference. Your $79 one is going to be a regular profile. Next one up is $79, and that's going to be a low profile. And that one's going for $109, where your so your Daytona 3-ton is also a regular profile for $99. Your low profile, in this case 4-ton, is your $159, and your low profile in the 3-ton is $119. So there's your difference in your jacks and your cost. Oh, great. I didn't see that. So for a 3-ton, and that is a extended reach, it's a longer bar, and that one's $179. So keep that in mind. You've got a long reach, low profile, standard, and then your low profile, regular length. There you go. There's a good example of see how thin that is compared to your other one. And you're talking a $30 difference between the two. As you can see, they've all got just the twist handle, and they'll go down. Same with that twist handle, and they'll drop. No more have to get out and use the handle to turn the little petcock to lower it. Right now, the only thing I see different is the way the metal is cut. They do have their title in there, where the Pittsburgh does not. Still got the same grease fittings. Everything here is the same location. So basically all your you're looking at in difference is your color. Your color design is basically all I'm looking at. Color, and this has got a rubber input, but and Pittsburgh might have one, or well, doesn't show one on their thing, so it may not have a rubber input like this one does. Okay, so I can close this video. Going to Harbor Freight today. I got the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile rapid pump jack. I got the 50 by I got the 24 by 49 tarp, and then I got a quick blowtorch adapter. I got the titanium nitrate drill bits for the quick release impact. The main thing I came up for was, of course, the ball joint removal kit. So with all that said, it came out to $350. Now I got some duct tape, and I was able to use the Affirm account on this, which I was surprised, because all she had to do was manually type in the card, and the minute she did, it came right back up on my phone saying your card was processed. So there's no problem using the Affirm account with the Harbor Freight. Now hiring. Huh. I didn't even drive so far. That might be an option for me. Then again, the minimum wage has now gone up to $12 an hour. So it might even be worth the effort. I don't know. Maybe. Kept going back and forth, deciding whether I wanted to get that AC compressor, AC compressor pump, or the jack. But I'd already done the video on the jack, so I went with the jack. Difference in price between the Daytona jack and the Pittsburgh, mainly because I've been using Pittsburgh tools, so I kind of want to stay with the same. The Daytona is pretty because of its colors. It lifted another quarter inch more than the Pittsburgh did, and it had the just a rubber pad added to the end of the jack. But other than that, I saved $10. That's about it. $10 was enough to put a 1-year warranty on the Pittsburgh. So, all right, and I'm on my way home. I drove 42 miles up here, and I gotta get home and get that ball joint pressed out, or pressed back in, should I say. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next. I guess we're gonna call this